Yesterday Xiaomi unveiled the Mi Notebook 14 for those who want something light to travel with. The Horizon Edition weighs in at 1.35 kilograms. Today the company is showing off a laptop for those who need something a bit beefier. The Xiaomi Mi Notebook Pro 15 2020 is similar to the enhanced edition from last year. The power comes from 10th generation Intel processors and i5-10210U in the base version and i7-10-510U in the top trim model. In both cases they're an eGPU, an Nvidia GeForce MX350 compared to MX250 on the 14 laptop. The MX350 matches the GTX 960M and is slightly slower than a GTX 1050 compared to the MX250. The newer GPU has a lot more shaders, 640 versus 384. Both are based on the Pascal architecture, 14 nanometers, but the MX350 has more than double the TDP25W, and slightly higher memory bandwidth. To keep all of this cool, Xiaomi engineered a dual-fan, dual cooling pipe solution. The base storage is a 512GB NVMe SSD. But you can have 1 TB as well. This is also tied to upgrading from 8 GB of RAM to 16 GB DDR4 2666 MHz. Xiaomi Mi Notebook Pro 15 2020 comes with 10th General Intel CPU and Nvidia MX350 GPU. The Mi Notebook Pro 15 2020 has a 15.6 LCD which is protected with Gorilla Glass 3. The 1080p panel promises 300 nits of brightness and 100% coverage of the sRGB color space. Below that is a full-size keyboard with 1.5mm key travel and backlighting. There's a fingerprint reader for extra security, located on the touchpad. In terms of ports, there are 2 USB-C ports on one side next to an SD card reader and 2 USB-A ports on the other, plus an HDMI and 3.5mm headphone jack. Wireless connectivity features Wi-Fi 5 AC, 2x2, and Bluetooth 5.0. Xiaomi Mi Notebook Pro 15 2020 comes with 10th General Intel CPU and Nvidia MX350 GPU. The 60Wh battery should last 17 hours of video playback. It can be charged to 50% in 40 minutes over USB-C. You can also use the USB-C ports to charge your phone at 18W. The whole laptop weighs 2 kilograms and boasts two 2.5W speakers courtesy of Harman Audio. Windows 10 Home comes pre-installed. Xiaomi Mi Notebook Pro 15 2020 comes with 10th General Intel CPU and Nvidia MX350 GPU in China. The Xiaomi Mi Notebook Pro 15 2020 will be available any moment now on JD.com. The base version i5, 8GB per 512GB is 6,000 Chinese yuan, while the upgrade i7, 16GB per 1TB is 7,000 Chinese yuan. That works out to $850/50 and $1,000/75, respectively. Actually, the i5 model is showing up slightly cheaper, 5,700 Chinese yuan, a launch day promo.